Okay, we saw that whenever any food offered to Proserpine that was refused by her, there was the legend that if any person or if anyone ate anything or in the land of Pluto, that person never could leave the underworld. But she did not have any idea about that legend, and that legend is true or not. But as the day passed, she became hungered and she became weak just because she was hungry from so many times. And she was remembering her mother. She was waiting to her mother. Afterwards, Mercury went there, he visited there. He was a winged messenger. Now flee down into the depths of the earth, as per his father suggested him to go to underworld. He reached there. Nothing happened. Nothing was happened there as he reached in the underworld, and he entered to the royal chamber. Then he found that Pluto was seated on his black throne, lovingly feeding the weak and hungry Proserpine 4 seeds of pomegranate fruit. Mercury was ready to strike a bargain between Pluto and himself. Then discussion was started between Mercury and Pluto. Pluto was denying to send Proserpine back again to the earth, and Mercury was suggesting him to send back to Proserpine towards her mother. Then Mercury said to him, if Pluto were to marry Proserpine and make her queen, she would live with him for 4 months of the year, since she had partaken 4 seeds of pomegranate fruit. The rest of the year, she would return to her mother, Ceres, and live with her on earth. Pluto, much against his will, had to bow to the wishes of his nephew, sent by Jupiter, the king of the gods. The argument was started between Pluto and Mercury about Proserpines. Then Pluto was suggested by Mercury that he should send Proserpine again towards her mother on the earth. And he told him that if Pluto wanted to marry to Proserpine, then also she could not live with him forever. She would be there only for 4 months, and rest of the year she will be with her mother. As per she has partaken 4 seeds of the pomegranate fruit. She has taken 4 seeds from Pluto, the god of underworld. That's why that was the condition of a legend, that she should have to stay there for 4 months, and remaining 8 months she will be with her mother. Pluto also agreed on that point, as per Mercury was his nephew, who was sent by Jupiter, his brother also, and king of the gods also. That was condition, and that was finalized. So every year when Mother Ceres receives her daughter, the beautiful Proserpine on earth, it is springtime everywhere. Fresh green leaves and birds cover every tree. The grass grows and covers the earth like a green carpet. The sun shines down brightly and birds chirp on every tree. Summertime ripens the golden corn and fills the granaries for man to eat. In the autumn, Ceres changes the leaves to shades of brown and orange as a gift to Proserpine before she returns into the loving arms of her husband Pluto. During the time Proserpine resides with Pluto, the world goes through winter, a time when the earth becomes barren and nothing grows. For Ceres is sad, waiting for her daughter to return to her on earth. As per the condition, Pluto became agreed on that point, and he became ready to send Proserpine back again towards her mother. So by that condition, every year Mother Ceres receives her daughter beautiful Proserpine on earth in the month of spring. That became spring for everywhere. Everywhere we can find fresh green leaves, and birds cover every tree, and grass grows and covers earth like green carpet. Everything became flourished. Everywhere we can see fresh flowers, green leaves. The sun shines down. Sun shining brightly. Birds are chirping on every tree. Then in next month, summertime just ripen the golden corn, and it is just filled by the granaries for man to eat. Then in the autumn, Ceres changes the leaves to shades of brown. In autumn, all the leaves became brown and orange. That is the gift to Proserpine by Ceres before she returns into the loving arms of her husband Pluto, before she goes with Pluto. Whenever Proserpine resides or stays with Pluto, the world is in winter season. Whenever the earth becomes barren, there is nothing grows on the earth. For that time, Ceres becomes sad and waiting for her daughter to return to her on earth. She became eager to see her daughter whenever she is returning to earth. Spring season started, and whenever she is going with her husband, that time winter started on the earth. Means that lesson is related to the seasonal changes. Here we have completed our first lesson of English literature. Now, those who are having textbook, read that lesson. Question answers are given next video.